We are now at the farm of our friend, and we just take a very quick vacation here. And they have that eggplant plantation, and they have that limoncito, and they have that lemon, and they have that rest house. This is the rest house, and they have that deep well. That's their deep well. Yeah, that's their deep well. Their lot is until there, up to there. That's still part of their lot. Yeah. And that's their gate. That's their gate. Really nice farm.